Hello, this is Bill the Geek and welcome to my Introduction to Adobe Illustrator 2020. I've been teaching Illustrator since 1995, been using it since 1993, and I'm going to go through all of the most important things you need to know about Adobe Illustrator. What is a vector? What is a pixel? How do you make business cards? How do you make posters? How do you bring in images? How do you vectorize images? So we're going to get started and we're going to have fun with this Illustrator video tutorial series.